Most people might think this is just a single video, but the truth is completely different. Today, we're not going to talk about just one mind-blowing fact. We're going to explore a whole collection of surprising facts that are totally different from each other, and things you've probably never heard before. Get ready to be amazed. A strange phenomenon that can be seen after a great war. The returning soldier phenomenon is one of the craziest effects seen after a major war. In this mysterious phenomenon, the number of male children born after a war increases significantly in countries facing a major war. This phenomenon is a supernatural phenomenon that can also affect the human sex ratio. This phenomenon was first seen in America. This is because the number of male babies born in America increased significantly between 1945 and 1947 after World War II. Those who have studied this phenomenon say that this phenomenon is a natural regulation of the situation, and that healthy and strong soldiers are more likely to survive in war, so more children born to them are boys. You just ran over this bug with a 4,000-pound SUV. Most insects would be pancakes. This one, it's just getting started. Meet the Diabolical Ironclad Beetle. It's nature's ultimate tank, and it's practically uncrushable. You can't crush it with your fingers. You can't crush it with your foot. Even scientists struggle to crush it with steel machines. In laboratory tests, this beetle survived forces of about 39,000 times its own body weight. To understand how insane that is, that's like a human surviving being crushed by about 70 elephants at once. So what's its secret? Is it armor? Is it evolution? Or something even more unbelievable? Most beetles can fly, so their wing covers are flexible. But this beetle evolved differently. It gave up flight completely and turned its body into a solid biological shield. Its outer shell is made of interlocking layers, like puzzle pieces that lock together. When pressure is applied, instead of breaking, the shell spreads the force across its entire body. This prevents cracks from forming. It doesn't resist force. It distributes it. Scientists were so shocked. Scientists are studying this beetle to create stronger airplanes, safer cars, and improved body armor. It is pretty trippy when you first notice them, isn't it? What the heck is that? Tiny, transparent squiggles, little transparent blobs. Maybe even something that looks like a miniature amoeba party happening right in front of your eyes. You try to look at them, and poof, they dart away like they're playing hide and seek. It's like having a secret, microscopic world only you can see. But what are these mysterious forms and transparent blobs? Are they dust on your contacts, something in the air? The truth is even wilder. Those floaters, they're actually inside your eye. Yeah, you heard that, right? Not on the surface, but within your eyeball itself. Mind blown yet. Your eye, this incredible organ that lets you see the beauty of the world, is mostly filled with a clear, jelly-like substance called the vitreous humor. Think of it like a perfectly transparent gel core. When you're young, this gel core is thick and smooth. But as we get older, and sometimes even when we're young, tiny bits of this vitreous gel start to clump together. These can be bits of protein, collagen fibers, or just little pockets of liquid that form within the gel. And guess what? These tiny clumps cast shadows onto your retina, the light-sensitive screen at the back of your eye. So, you're not actually seeing the worms themselves. You're seeing the shadows they project. It's like a tiny, personal shadow puppet show happening inside your own eye. Why do they look like they're swimming? Because they are suspended in liquid. They move whenever your eye moves. When you stop your gaze, they keep drifting for a second due to inertia, which gives them living or swimming quality. Now, before you panic and schedule an emergency eye exam, take a deep breath. For most people, floaters are completely normal and harmless. They're just a part of how our amazing eyes age and function. However, there are a few rare but important times when floaters can be a sign of something more serious, and this is crucial, so listen up. You should see an eye doctor immediately if you experience these something. Read it carefully.